Anybody want to do a Starbucks earnings? It's so much simpler than Apple, right? This is called a run into earnings. That is a run into earnings. That is a reversal candle. That is a confirmation candle. That is yellow bar. That is overbought. That is the cycle indicator turning down. That is the momentum indicator starting to move lower. That's probably the target. That's probably where it'll go to. So if you wanted to put something on here, you could do something like short that big. Yeah, let's see. The expected move is $7. So let me just take a quick look and see. Can I buy? Here, I'll do it with you here. Let me show you a couple of ways to look at it. 95, 102, 102, 102. There's 102. There's 103. $32. What about 104? There's $20. 105. I like this. So this is way out of the money. 7-point move. So the market maker says it could go up or down by 7. If it goes up by 7, that could bring you to 102. So what if I went all the way to 105 and did a 105, 108 call credit spread for this Friday and see if I could get like $35 for it, right? So I'm going to do that first. And the premium is pretty good here. That's not bad. You could even go 106 if you want to go a little higher. I like this too. You go 107, you could go here. Now 107's you're no good. 106 is going to be the max here. That ain't bad either. Boy, if you could get 35 for that, I don't know if you can. 38 maybe, and all the way at 106. Let me see what I can get. Let me see if I can get $38 for this. 106, 110. See if I can get 38. Just look at the chart for a second too. So you're talking about putting a credit spread up here, right? So has Starbucks been anywhere near 105? No. Last time they were near 105 was here. Was a year ago they were, but a hard time seeing them get above this level here on this earnings season right now. So let me see if I can get 38. 106, 110, call credit spread for this Friday. Let's see if I can get $38 for it. Might have to adjust, maybe get 37, whatever. Okay, so if I could get 38, 36, $35, then that's for this Friday. Then what could I do? I could go here and just get 95.90s for $1.80, but remember, getting $35 would bring this down to 145. I do like that. Could actually go a little lower, a little narrower. I'm not crazy about that. That's not bad. I might be better off just taking this at 180 and see if I can get to 35. So 145 on a 5 wide. Yeah, that's like a 2.4. That's not bad. If I did that and got to 35 or 38, it'd be 105. 105. 3, 295 by 105. That's even better. Yeah, so I like this one, 94.90s. And pick up 5 of those. Let's see if I can get this for, I'll put it at 140. See if I can get it.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got it. So that's at 140. 94.90s puts. Yeah. Then let me see if I can get this for 37, 36 maybe. Well, I'll go 35 because I said 35. Now, there's another component of this trade that if you wanted to, Yeah, they're really expensive. I mean, you could spend another 70 cents and buy a 105 call for this week in case it went through the roof. And if it did, then that would help you finance, but that kind of cuts the legs out of the whole trade. So you'd have to do something like, the 110s or something for 25 cents. But I'm okay with the allocation. Everybody understand the trade? So I'm doing a 106 110 call credit spread for $35 credit. I'm going to take that money and put it into a 94.90 put debit spread for 140. So as long as price stays below 106 by Friday, I get this will expire worthless. I keep the 35, and that means the trade only cost me 105. So if I get any movement to the downside, I'm looking to make, at minimum a double. So if I can make $100, I wouldn't need price to come all the way down to 90. I just need an initial move. So I'll watch the markets in the morning. If I see a gap down in the morning from earnings, bang, I'll take the trade off. That's all I'm looking to do.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.